Hello everyone! In this new tutorial, we'll be showing you how to run a light backtest on Opportrade. But first, what exactly is a light backtest? As the name suggests, a light backtest is a simplified and faster version of the full backtest on Opportrade. It's quicker to set up and run. A light backtest will test your strategies on a maximum of 1,000 candles, while a full backtest can go up to 40,000 candles. Additionally, the light backtest runs on the chart you're already viewing, so there's no need to create a custom dataset. And finally, light backtest does not support margin trading. These features make it perfect for quickly testing strategies on different assets or candle sizes and determining if they're worth more in-depth testing. When using light backtests, they won't affect your monthly backtest credits because it's normal to run multiple light backtests while optimizing a strategy. If you reach the limit, don't worry. This just means you've used all your available light backtest credits for today. Tomorrow, your daily light backtest quota will be restored. Now, let's move on to the practical part. How do you run a light backtest on Opportrade? First, go to the charting section of the platform. Then you'll need to select the asset, candle size, and time period you want to test your strategy on. For this tutorial, we'll be using Ethereum, Chiach, Euro, ETH, EUR, with 1-hour candles from April 17th, 2025 to May 29th, 2025. Once the chart is set up, click the Test Your Strategy button. A pop-up will appear with the settings for the light backtest, where you'll select the strategy you want to test. For this tutorial, we'll use the MACD crossover template, which you can download for free from our marketplace. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I'll leave the link in the video description. In the pop-up, you can also adjust the initial capital, fees, and spread. If you're unsure how to adjust these fields, I recommend leaving them as is. Now, click Test and wait a few seconds while the strategy runs. Once the results are ready, they will appear automatically. In the Overview tab, you'll see the equity line, which shows how your capital would have changed over time using the selected strategy. If you scroll down, you'll see the drawdown line, which shows how the drawdown evolved during the backtest. Even further down, you'll find the orders chart, with blue and red arrows indicating each entry and exit. In the Performance tab, you'll find the main performance metrics of your backtest, like the total return, total number of orders, maximum drawdown, annualized return, and more. In the Orders table, you'll find a list of all the orders executed or rejected during the backtest, along with order type, size, and other useful metrics. Each column has an informative tooltip explaining what it means. Finally, in the Properties tab, you'll see a summary of all the settings for your light backtest, like the date range, asset information, strategy used, and more. Remember, the light backtest is designed to be a tool for quickly optimizing strategies and adapting them to different assets. That's why we've introduced the Edit Your Strategy button, allowing you to quickly open the strategy used in the light backtest and make modifications before testing it again. What are you waiting for? Start optimizing your strategies now with the help of the light backtest.